Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make this really simple smoked salmon and potato cake. This is a classic pairing of crispy potato, herby creme fraiche, and smoked salmon that is great for brunch, lunch, or just a snack. Let's start with peeling our potatoes. We want to use russet potatoes for this dish because it's higher in starch than a waxed potato, so when we do cook the potato, it's going to stick together. Then we just need to go ahead and slice our potatoes on the mandolin, and we're looking to do these about the size of a matchstick when they're done. Now we need to season our potatoes with salt and pepper and also our melted butter. Give this a mix so the potatoes are evenly coated with the butter. Now we'll just put a couple tablespoons of oil in our cold cast iron pan, and then you just want to start piling into potatoes and pressing them down to make sure that you fill in all the spaces on the pan. Now just get your spatula and just kind of work everything back in to make it a nice little pancake shape. Now we just need to turn on the heat to medium-low and we'll start to cook our potatoes. As I cook it, I keep pushing the corners in and tucking the potatoes in to make this nice little pancake shape. And then once it's nice and crispy on one side, give it a flip. And again, slow and low on medium-low for a few minutes until it's nice and crispy and tender and cooked through. While our potato is cooling off, we can go ahead and start to make our sauce. We're going to use 1 clove of chopped garlic, half of a finely diced shallot. If you don't have a shallot, you can substitute it with a red onion or a sweet yellow onion. One green onion sliced into thin rings. And then we just need to chop our dill. Then we can go ahead and season with black pepper, salt, and sugar. Then we can add in our crème fraiche and our sour cream. This is equal parts. I like to mix it half and half because when you do mix up the crème fraiche by itself, it gets really runny. And some lemon zest. And a little squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Now we just need to spread our crème fraiche mix onto the crispy potato. Then just layer on your smoked salmon, top with some salmon roe and a few sprigs of fresh dill. Thanks for watching my video on this really simple smoked salmon and potato cake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment on what your favorite smoked salmon dish is. You can also follow me on my Instagram at Chef and a Spoon to see what I'm working on next. See you next time!